Have you ever heard of those get paid by watching apps? Are they legit? And is it really worth it? Spoiler alert, they usually aren't. But what if I told you there's an actual way to make serious cash while watching YouTube? In this video, I'll answer the burning questions. Number 1. Can you really make $700 watching YouTube? Number 2. How do these apps stack up? Number 3. And most importantly, what's the best strategy to maximize your earnings? Get ready for a deep discussion about these latest digital money-making trends. But hold on, this isn't your typical rundown. I've spent years testing different apps and methods to ensure you're getting the best insights and advice. Trust me, I've got the experience and expertise to guide you through this great opportunity. Method 1. Here, I prepare the apps that can earn you money just by watching YouTube videos. First up, Cash Stars. This platform offers a variety of tasks, including watching YouTube videos. By showing you ads during your viewing, they split the revenue with you. Simply sign up with your email to get started. Cash Stars provide a seamless way to earn a bit of extra cash while enjoying your favorite YouTube content. Now, on to Earnably. This app is a versatile option for those looking to earn gift cards. In addition to watching YouTube videos, you can earn rewards by playing games and completing various offers. While it's not a big earner on its own, it can complement other apps in your money-making strategy. For those who enjoy gaming or don't mind trying out new offers, Earnably can be a fun way to earn rewards in your spare time. Another option worth considering is Creation Rewards. This app allows you to earn rewards by participating in daily surveys, watching videos, searching websites, and trying out different offers. Signing up is easy, requiring only your email and password. With Creation Rewards, you can earn rewards for activities you already do online, making it a convenient way to earn a little extra cash. For Android users, 2Pay is a great option. This app rewards you for watching YouTube videos and offers multiple payment options, including PayPal. 2Pay is a straightforward way to monetize your YouTube viewing habits and turn them into cash rewards. InstaGC or Instant Gift Card is another platform worth exploring. As the name suggests, you can earn instant gift cards by completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and searching Google. With InstaG, you can earn rewards quickly and easily, making it a popular choice among users looking to earn extra income. And if you're an Android user, Watch to Earn is worth checking out. This app allows you to collect coins by watching videos, which can then be converted into real cash. With Watch to Earn, you can earn money by doing something you already enjoy, making it a simple way to boost your income. Lastly, there's Paid to Work. This app offers a bit more than just watching videos. With Paid to Work, you can earn money by completing tasks while watching ads and videos. While it won't make you rich, it's a straightforward way to earn some extra cash in your free time. These apps offer a variety of ways to earn money, and by combining multiple apps, you can maximize your earnings. Another intriguing method to earn money while enjoying your favorite YouTube content, it introduces a fascinating concept. Method 2. Shortening paid link services such as ShrinkMe to monetize the traffic generated by popular videos. Imagine stumbling upon a viral YouTube video, one of those millions of views and shares. You're stuck by its potential to engage a wide audience, but you may not realize that there's a way to capitalize on its popularity beyond mere entertainment. This is where the concept of paid link shortening services comes into play. These services offers a simple yet powerful proposition. They pay you for every click on the links you share. Here's the mechanics behind it. You take a real long URL, typically from a popular YouTube video, and paste it into the link shortening service. The service then generates a shortened version of the link, making it more compact and shareable. When someone clicks on the shortened link, they're directed to the original content, but not before encountering a series of ads. Suppose you come across a viral video on YouTube, perhaps a compilation of humorous cat antics or a mesmerizing DIY tutorial. You find the video captivating and foresee its potential to attract a large audience. After watching it yourself, you decide to share it with others while also earning a passive income in the process. First, you register for a free account on a reputable link shortening services like ShrinkMe. Once logged in, you simply paste the URL of the YouTube video into the provided field and generate a shortened link. This link, when clicked, will lead viewers to the original video, but not before they encounter a series of ads. Each time someone clicks on this link and engages with the ads, you earn a commission. Now, let's explore the potential earnings and how you can increase them. The amount you earn per click varies depending on factors such as viewers' location and the advertiser's bidding rates. However, many link shortening services provide detailed statistics and payout rates, allowing you to estimate your potential earnings accurately. For example, ShrinkMe provides a dashboard where you can track your total earnings, referrals, and CPM or cost per thousand impressions. By analyzing this data, you can identify trends and optimize your sharing strategy to maximize your earnings. Additionally, ShrinkMe offers various payment methods, making it convenient for you to withdraw your earnings when you reach the maximum threshold. Now, let's discuss how you can drive traffic to your shortened links and increase your earnings further. One effective strategy is to leverage existing online communities where people share and discuss similar content. Platforms like Facebook groups, Reddit communities, and niche forums are excellent places to share your shortened links. You can join groups related to the theme of the video you're sharing and engage with members by providing valuable insights and commentary. As you build rapport with these communities, you can subtly incorporate your shortened links into your posts, thereby increasing the likelihood of clicks and earnings. Moreover, you can explore content aggregation platforms like imore.com, which attracts millions of visitors seeking diverse content. By creating compelling posts with catchy titles and eye-catching thumbnails, you can pique the interest of imore.com's audience and drive traffic to your shortened links. Remember to include a persuasive call to action in your posts, encouraging readers to click on your link to watch the video. By leveraging popular videos, you can increase your earning potential. Method 3. Moving to my favorite method, let's talk about a strategy that combines two powerful tools: affiliate marketing and YouTube videos. You don't need fancy software, just your skills and dedication. Here's the deal. Affiliate marketing paired with YouTube can be a game changer. Take, for instance, signing up for an affiliate program like the one at onlinebusinessacademy.com/affiliate. It's free to join, and you can rake in commissions ranging from 30% to 50% on high-return products. Plus, you might even find courses where you can earn a hefty 50% commission. Now, let's break it down. You watch a YouTube video, see how it promotes a class, and think, hey, I can do that. You create a similar video, publish it, and share it across platforms. It's not just about watching videos. It's about leveraging them to earn big bucks. Sure, those apps pay a few bucks for watching ads, but that won't build you a thriving online business. Now, let's talk about proof. You've seen those gurus who talk the talk but can't walk the walk, but not me. With over 6 digits in affiliate commissions, I've mastered the art of earning through free traffic alone. My main channel alone has been paying all my expenses, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. I've got other channels pulling in hundreds a day without even showing my face. So why listen to me? Because I've been in this industry for years looking for ways to earn money online. All of these are useless if you want to be the content creator yourself. But if you want to be the next trending on YouTube channel without showing your face, you might want to check out some of our videos. Until next time!